Guys, welcome back to the channel. We have finally reached Friday and the stock market is now closed, so let's do an update on our accounts. We'll start with Melanie's Roth, and then we'll look at mine and we'll update our sheets. Okay, looking at Melanie's account, Nokia didn't quite make it to $4, so that one will end up selling another coupon. GoPro, we sold looks like the 850 call, and if we look at Ford, we sold the $9 call on Ford, and Ford is if we look at this, it is now sitting right at $9. So I know on the after hours it did drop to $8.99, so we'll have to see if this executes or not when we look at it next week. And Carnival Cruise Line, we sold the $22 call, and it looks like it got to $20.47. So let's look at our account total. So we're looking at, right now the account is sitting at $7,065.53. So we'll update our sheet. So $7,065.53. And today is the 8th of January. So not too bad so far. Went from basically 6,700 to 7,000, so we're almost at about a $300 gain. So we'll now take a look at my Roth. Okay guys, let's now take a look at my Roth and see how we did. We can see that we bought Lyft, and on Lyft we sold the $50 call, and Lyft today only got up to $47.50, so we'll end up selling this call again. Zynga is at $9.92, and on Zynga we sold the $10 call, so that one will also expire, and we'll be able just to resell all of our positions. So if we look at the account value, we're now sitting at $7,824.28. So let's update our sheet. So we're sitting at $7,824.28, and today is the 8th of January. So a little bit of an increase there. It's not a lot, but the thing, and this is good guys, because the thing I want y'all to understand is, the account value itself is going to grow substantially by actually the amount that we really receive for these calls once the gain is realized. So if we look at our total here, we're on our way to 50,000, and we currently have $35,409 more to reach. So all in all, it was not a bad week, and I really hope that you guys start to see the value in this, and maybe it's something that you could practice and do yourself. Understand this is being done in a Roth. This could also be done in an individual broker account where you can actually take those gains out and help to pay bills or pay down debt or something to that effect. But just understand, outside of a Roth there are tax consequences, so that's why I always suggest doing this in a Roth first. Even if it's like $1,000, buy 100 shares of a stock that's under $10 and kind of practice doing the calls, and then eventually you can increase those higher and higher. So I hope you guys found value in this video. If you did find value, I appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can continue getting alerts as we climb our way up to 50,000. Again, thank you for watching.